Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even in starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, now the picture connects. Never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote. His will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds. The skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% gear, be 100% clear. Cause Ryan was ill. Who would have thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Why you had the stupidest verse? This dude is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots. His stocks through the roof. I heard you fucking with that stock.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name.
They call him Ryan, he's sick and he's spitting fire and Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with top, but a fucking nihilist porcupine. He's a prick, he's a cop. The type women wanna be with and rappers hope he gets shot. 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, this shit is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of shit that comes out of this kid's throat. He's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top. He don't think it's a comment on his name. People keep asking him, was it giving that birth that doesn't stand for an acronym? No, he's living proof. Let him rock in the booth. He'll get you buzzing quicker than a shot of vodka with juice. Him and his crew and all around is one of the best. Dedicated to what they do and give 100%.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time because he writes every note, he writes every line, and I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like a design is written in his head every time before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those motherfuckers he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous, without even trying. How do they do it? This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. Fort Minor, M. Shinoda, styles of beyond. Ryan, Talk Beer, Shisha.
Okay, let's start the ball game. Ano si Alex? Amin pa rin yan. Dream team pa rin yan. Dream team pa rin yan. Let's start! Ito na po simula ng semi-finals. Champion! Whoop! Manila Tags Ball, number 22, tumira agad ng 3, number 3 ba ni Arlan? Jason nagbababa ng bola, diretso, ingat, walang tawag, pero game ball. Pasang naman na itong kasama. Number 4, there's EC2. Ito na, Boogie. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Walang mapasahan. Binigay kay Jason. Tumira ng dos. No good. Nakakuha ni Pape. Pape. Na-intercept. Boogie. Pinasa kay Chunuk. Nakita sa Elsang inat. Boom! Tinigil pa si Yuya. Sumisigaw pa ako ang panggabi. Ang admirer. Ang cheerer. Sige, foul boy. Pape. Nasa gilid. Binabantayan ng Jim. Jim Pomelo. Whoop! No way. Nakuha po ni Eric. Nilabas kay Arlan. Binigay kay Jason. Binigay kay sa gilid kay Pape. No good. Now.
Wala! Tulong, Rick!
All two.
Pesto!
Number 2.
Ikot!
Yuki. Whoop. Nakakuha pa ni Jason ng mga harutong maot. Favorite shot. Is 2 points. Idol.
Ganado!
Nidependahan. Number 22. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Walang mapasahan. Napigay kay Jun. Inangat. No good. Pero rebound po ni. Whoop. Pinasa na ilalim. 2 points. All 4 points goal.
Salubong Ken, konti. Angat lang konti. Para hindi makagawa.
All 4 points. Pedro Poppy.
Makagawa ng play eh.
Bigay sa uno. Bumukol ng 3. Pinukol. Nakawag ni Elsang. Elsang dire-diretso binigay sa Petitas. Pumukol din ng 3. Tapos naman yung kanya. Binigay kay Pape. Sinaras ng number 20. 22 ba? Sorry. Number 22. First personal foul.
Pesto!
First personal foul. Parang violation na tinawag. Eric, 2 points! Good test.
Check, Rick!
Huli.
Tapos na tayo. Papahinga mo yan.
Wala sa ayos mo. Salit sa biyo. Yuki Porn, hinaharap. Binigay kay Jun, nilabas. Hindi ko na ipahang sa loob. Dire-diretso sa alakoy na tira. Pass break, ayun na nga lang.
Takbo! Pagod diretso!
Arlan. Isa Warrior. Warrior is Arlan. Six minutes, 10 seconds. Sa ating first quarter. Red na agawan, hindi pa pero naibigay pa. Pinira ni Jun. Short ang kanya. Nakuha pa rin ng offensive rebound ni number 22.
Ikot muna!
Number 22, nakaras ni Arlan. Oop, nasaktan. Number 24. Wow! Time out.
Kaya.
Kaya daw yan, sabi ni KCJ. Nagsabi nun, ha?
Okay lang daw. May extra pa dyan.
Basta yung shirt mo, alam na. Nakakontrata na tayo. Yuki, guns up! Pumasok!
Alakasan pala. Ken, dikit lang konti, Ken. Guardia.